Okay, we're going to start here with 3 cups of orange juice. This is no pulp. No pulp added to it. So we'll use our big measuring cup, which holds 4 cups. Pour this up to 3 cup level. Now we'll add 2% milk. We'll add 1 cup up to the 4 cup level. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. Vanilla extract, we're using 1/2 teaspoon. And we'll just give that a stir. So we can get the sugar dissolved in there. Okay, we're going to put the machine on, and we're going to use the juice setting, which is set at -1.6 Celsius. So we'll get this going and we'll pour it in slowly. So we'll check back in 10 minutes and we'll see how it's progressing. Okay, 10 minutes later we're at -1.7. So the thickest setting here was set for -1.8. So we're almost there. Okay, this is about 10 minutes later. It now beat on the thickest setting, on the juice setting. So we're going to give this a pour. And we'll give it a taste here. I would say that's the perfect, consistency that you want. You don't want this really thick like a normal slushy. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.